show you what you do. So first you need to get the string, and if you can see on the end, it's tied up to something. So right now, you want to get to all these holes. So I just do a few. Okay. So now you want to stretch up the string a little to put the thing on. Usually, so you go down. Actually, no. So you go down here. And you go and you get the spinner with the hook. Buy them at Dollar Ram for like $2, and they're really good for salmon, especially with soft shoulders or salmon fishing. So you put the hole through, and at least maybe 2 times, yeah, 2 times. Okay. Now you gotta get any hook bait, sensitive bait especially, and you hook it on.